It's about meeting absolute characters. Choose like, say, the fillet of pork or something like that. Put a little stick just to keep it all there together. Just being pan-fried off. Did he use his fingers? Yes. A classic example of when a director says, I have a great idea. Let's cook on a boat. Absolutely fantastic. So let's open this up. You have to come to Jersey Island. It's just too nice not to see. A little bit of extra flavour. So we have got a fire on the go at Woodmark 4, a Dublin guy, living in Kerry, coming up to Tyrone, taking a classic French dish, and oui, monsieur, I am going to do it 10 times better than les French. Like, I mean, when they say the wine, well, it'll have picked up some of the flavour. Everyone's always asking me, how long does it go into the oven for? Into a pit, boiling water, about 86 hot rocks. But my mother always gives out to me, says, you never mention me on the telly. Well, here you go, Mum. My mother makes the worst porridge known to man. Just a little bit of flavour. So just start from the top. Now you know why I have no hair. I singed the whole damn lot of it off. I'm busy tucking into this beer. This is gorgeous stuff. This is no ordinary travel show. This is Treyvaud Travels.